Hello friends, welcome to the Diamond View, your destination for discovering inspiring and untold stories from India's glorious history. Today, we bring you an extraordinary warrior whose courage, valor and sacrifice have left an everlasting mark on history. This is the story of Takshak, a fearless soul who, after enduring unimaginable personal loss, vowed to protect his land and force his enemies to bow before his indomitable spirit. This story is not just about one man, but about the undying spirit of courage and resilience that teaches us to stand firm for our nation, our land, and our people, no matter the odds. So, without further delay, let's dive into this incredible and inspiring tale of heroism and sacrifice. It was the 7th century, a time when foreign invaders cast their ominous shadows over India. The land of Hindustan, vast in its expanse and rich in culture, became the target of Arab conquerors driven by greed. Amid this chaos and destruction, a warrior rose, a protector who not only defended his homeland but taught the invaders a lesson they would never forget. This is the saga of the fearless warrior Takshak. The year was 712 CE. Under the order of Khalifa al-Walid, Muhammad bin Qasim launched an attack on India's western territory. In the famous Battle of Aror, Qasim defeated the last Hindu ruler of Sindh, Raja Dahir, and went on to capture Sindh and Multan. This marked the first successful Muslim invasion of India. The bravery of Qasim and his army left deep scars on the land. Villages were burned, innocent people were slaughtered, and countless women were dishonored. Among these devastated villages, one story of hope and resistance began to take shape. The story of Takshak. In a small village near the Sindhu river lived an 8-year-old boy named Takshak with his mother and two sisters. His father was a soldier in Raja Dahir's army who gave his life defending his homeland. When Muhammad bin Qasim's army attacked Takshak's village, chaos erupted. Houses were burned, young men were killed, and women were subjected to unspeakable horrors. To save their honors, Takshak's mothers and sisters chose to end their lives. But before doing so, his mother hid Takshak in the dark corner of their home. When Takshak finally came out of hiding, he saw the lifeless bodies of his mother and sisters. Were overwhelmed with pain and anger. The young boy made a vow. One day I will destroy these invaders and avenge my family. Escaping the destruction of his village, Takshak fled into the dense forest. For the next 25 years, he lived in isolation, training himself to be a warrior. He learned the art of sword fighting, developed strategy thinking, and turned his grief into unshakable determination. By the time he was 33, Takshak had become a skilled and fearless warrior. He joined the court of the mighty king Nagbhat II of the Kannauj as the chief bodyguard. The year was 738. King Nagbhat II of Kannauj, renowned for his valor and military might, ruled over a prosperous kingdom. Under his leadership, the Rajput warriors had successfully defended their land from multiple Arab invasions. However, the peace didn't last long. Reports arrived that a massive Arab army, supported by the Caliphate, was marching toward Kannauj. It was a crucial moment in history, and King Nagbhat called for an urgent meeting with his advisors and commanders. In the royal court, The advisors debated strategies to defend Kannauj. Takshak, known for his sharp intellect, stood up and said, "Your Majesty, this time we must fight the enemy in their own style. These invaders don't respect rules or humanity. To defeat them, we must abandon traditional methods of war." Nagbhat, a firm believer in dharma and morality, hesitated. He asked, "Can we abandon our principles and still call ourselves protectors of dharma?" Takshak replied with, "A king's most duty is to protect his people. These Armenians know no honor, no mercy. If we lose, they will destroy our land, our women, and our children. To protect our people, we must fight fire with fire." Takshak's words silenced the court. Everyone agreed with his logic. The king instructed Takshak with leading the army and devising an strategy to counter the Arab invaders. It was a moonless night. The Arab soldiers were resting in their camp, unaware of the storm that was about to strike. Under Takshak's command, a small but allied force from Kannauj launched a surprise attack. The Arabs, unprepared for a night assault, were caught off guard before they could arm themselves. Takshak and his warriors unleashed chaos. His sword danced through the battlefield, leaving trails of destruction. By dawn, two-thirds of the Arab army lay dead, and the rest were either captured or dead. Though the Kannauj army emerged victorious, the battle took a heavy toll on Takshak. He fought bravely but sustained severe injuries. When King Nagbhat reached the battlefield, he found Takshak lying among the fallen soldiers. The fearless warrior was breathing fast. The king knelt beside him, placed his sword at Takshak's feet, and said, "You have done what no one else could. India will forever be in your debt." With a faint smile, Takshak took his last breath. His mission fulfilled. Takshak's sacrifice marked a turning point in history. His bravery and strategy crushed the Arab invaders' ambitions and protected India's stability. The story of Takshak teaches us that courage, determination, and love for one's land can overcome even the greatest challenges. So friends, this was the story of the brave warrior Takshak, an indomitable hero who turned the pain of losing his family into strength and taught the enemies of the nation a lesson that history will never forget. Takshak's life teaches us that a true warrior is one who remains unwavering in their duty and goal, even if it means sacrificing their life. His story is a shining example of courage, sacrifice, and patriotism. If this story touched your heart and inspired you, make sure to share it with your friends and family. And if you wish to hear more such historical and inspiring stories, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will meet again next time with another history. Till then, take care, stay inspired, and always remember our heroes from history are our guiding stars. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.